Introducing India's largest kitchen tech manufacturing unit. Every machine starts with a vision, built from carefully engineered components, crafted with advanced manufacturing processes. Assembled using precision manufacturing techniques. Includes 4 optimized high-output assembly systems, capable of manufacturing 25,000 units per year, spanning across 22,000 square feet of advanced manufacturing infrastructure, built with human expertise and smart engineering. Every unit undergoes rigorous quality checks. This is how smart kitchen machines are made. From factory floor to customer door, empowering 30,000 plus kitchens